Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is September 5th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 6.25 points to 24.68 per contract. All in all, you can see that the futures were lower overnight, right around 6 in the morning actually, and they've come back up and now they're starting to sell back down. So we have a lot of geopolitical news out here, a lot of geopolitical tension between the United States and North Korea, and we'll see how this all plays out today. But so far, markets are down just a little bit ahead of the opening bell. Now we have lots of stocks in the news, but no major earning plays today. But let's get started here. We're going to talk about United Technologies, ticker symbol is UTX. They are going to buy out Rockwell Collins for $140 a share. This stock right now, which was pretty much telegraphed that this was going to happen all last week, is trading at 115. A level I like for United today would be around 110.43. So keep that on the radar. You can see it briefly tested the 110 level already. Gets down to 110.43. I think that's a good enough support level for the stock today for a day trade. Possibly even a quicker scalp play. So keep that on the radar today. If you own Rockwell Collins, ticker symbol COL, you'll see this is trading at 132.05. Have a trailing stop in there. You can see last week the stock had a big move in anticipation of this news, and this is finalized today. So again, if you own the stock, trail the stop. That's the best you could do, or take your money off the table. But either way, it's been a good run. It's just not seeing a lot more upside today because the news was already factored in and the stock has already run up. In other news, you have U.S. Steel getting a big upgrade today. Stock is trading at $27.73. Again, maybe this goes to around 28 bucks. I see a lot of resistance there around that level. So if you own this one, trail your stop loss immediately. I would not be a buyer up here. I'd wait for a pullback, but really, really good move for U.S. Steel on that upgrade. Disney is another one I believe received an upgrade today. Disney is trading at around 101.80. Stock is still kind of just floundering around here. Not a very strong chart pattern at the moment. We'll see how it plays out today. Not really much I would look to do with Disney at the moment. Lowe's, another one receiving an upgrade today. This has been a little bit on the weaker side. Last week it did bounce with the hurricane. Lowe's trading at 75.25. Max upside for Lowe's today, I believe, is going to be probably around 77.55 if it can get up there. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not much to do here. Among other upgrades, looks like Skyworks Solutions got a little bit of an upgrade. Stock's trading at 107.50. Good little pop there. Has upside to around 108.80, 108.90. Around there, you'll hit a little wall of resistance. Oracle also getting an upgrade, and that's really all we have today. No real news out here, just upgrades and downgrades. Oracle's upticking a little bit. That's trading at 50.84, closed at 50.62. So Oracle still holding up very, very well. Walmart should be in the news today. Some insider selling. So Walmart trading right now at 78.20, but I believe there was some pretty hefty insider selling there. So just take a look at that one. And then we have Nvidia. This is down after some Chinese news. Not a big move down, but definitely stock closed at 170.46, trading at 168.70. It looks like it's down after China cracks down on something over there, but coin usage, I believe. So again, Nvidia trading down a little bit here this morning on the back of that news. So we'll see how that all shakes out and plays out. But the reality of it is the big story today is going to be what goes on with North Korea. And how does the market handle, and how does the market react to anything that President Trump will say or anything coming out of North Korea? So we'll see how that plays out. In the meantime, we have gold futures up $5.70 to $1,336 an ounce. So if you take a look at the GLD, that's a good little pop today. Gold trading on the GLD around 126.50, up from 126.06. Then we have crude oil today up 79 cents. To $48.08 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, that's moved a little bit higher today, trading at 9.82. There is Hurricane Irma in the Atlantic. We're not sure if that's going to go off the east coast of Florida or if it's going to come into the Gulf and disrupt a lot of oil refineries. So keep the oil refineries on the radar today. They could be on the move. Stocks like Valero would be one that I would look at closely. Also PSX. You might want to look at that one, and Holly Frontier ticker symbol is HFC. So oil refinery stocks could be in play today, although they've had big moves already. So not sure how much would be left in those, but we will look at them and more once the opening bell rings. So once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You trade right alongside of us. We got a lot of stuff in motion. Futures are trading a little bit lower. That helps us out. Right now, the S&P 500 E-mini futures down 5.5 points ahead of the opening bell. We'll see where we go when we open up. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.